Oh yeah. We got ourselves a little camping spot for the night. What's up, y'all? It's Timmy. I'm enjoying a little bit of camping here, and in the morning I'm gonna be taking you guys to Boulder Creek, and we're gonna go exploring a pretty cool new zone. So I don't know what to expect because I haven't been there, but we'll see you in the morning. Morning, everybody. Let's go. Check this out, it's pretty funny. Matt's camper door has been open this whole time. Your camper door has been wide open this whole time.
No way.
Yeah, your suitcase all about to fall out.
No.
Oh yeah. Check it out. Oh, probably lost half his gear. He's over here driving down the bouncy twisted highway just like that.
I knew I should have locked it.
Wide open. It's all there though. I don't know how that suitcase didn't fall out.
Oh my god. You sure it didn't just pop open?
Oh no, it's I don't know. I mean, like, you pulled in here and it's all swinging around all crazy. It might have just popped open. Okay, here we go.
Slow motion, but yeah, super nice. Yeah.
Test it out. Stuff is fired up, getting ready to go. We're gonna go take you guys out this drainage up in the Chickaloon area and go explore some new zones, do some sled skiing. Got the snowboard and the skis up there today. Got this OGSO Delirium Dive, this carbon fiber board, pretty sweet. Pretty stoked in that thing. I just want to give a quick shout out to Ryan, who redid my clutching on the 600. 9-day difference, dude. Appreciate it. Thank you, Ryan, for that clutch kit. What's up? Looking sketchy?
Nope, solid.
We didn't come down this way, but we can try to go up it.
Oh yeah, we can totally go up this way. Yeah, sure.
This is like way more responsive. I'm gonna buck myself off.
No, you'll be able to control it way better though. Yeah, Ryan, that clutch kit's awesome, dude. Total game changer on that 600. I can just tell. Just when I backed it off the trailer, way more responsive. Yeah, it might be kind of rotten.
It looks like there might be like a.
I can look here. Oh.
Yeah,
a lot of rock. Old gnarly rock right at the top.
It's good. All right, we'll tune back in when we start getting up to the good stuff. We're up here on top of the mountain. Yeah, hopefully this weather holds. So we're basically going about 40 miles deep one way, so about 80 miles round trip to the area we're going. This is the first time Matt has skied in years, so we'll see how it goes. We're gonna go peek at this. I don't know if we can get around. I'm gonna go look really quick. Ah, it's not worth it. It's too narrow, your ski's gonna fall off. That snow bridge is too broken already.
No, unless you get up there.
Yeah, I know.
It's just, it's a little bit, there's not much snow back.
Yeah, it's too isothermic too. Maybe might be able to go down here a little bit and then look up to the left to get around. I don't even know how the snow is up there anyway. We're still kind of low elevation. We need to get like up another 1,000 feet. We'll go up at the peak of this hill too. Yeah, that's about it. We're gonna get like up in that bench and kind of down. It might not work.
Yeah, the snow sucks.
It's going. We can go see if the snow's better up there. It might not be.
It might not be over there too.
Yeah.
I mean, it's been over
there. Down. Oh! Oh! You okay?
Yeah, it's like I'm sitting on top of the snow and then it punches under.
Yeah,
the
this
snow.
like when it started to get tippy, you should have hit your gas.
I
And
know.
yeah, it's okay.
Nervous.
Now you know next time. That's okay. We can get you roll easy. Is your knee okay?
Yeah, but it's not good for it. It doesn't feel very good.
Whew, yeah, the snow's bad here. Okay. Whew. Probably go down to that bottom bench, just way down there and turn around. This might be as far as we get to, I don't know. The snow's getting a little better, but it's still not too good. We'll put a little bit more effort into it, then we'll just go back the other way. Maybe way up there, but I don't know how we get up there. It's too steep walled. Might go down to it, just hard to say. There's all these little canyons you gotta watch out for. Right now, just to see what's possible for later, right? Looks like we can totally get over to it right there. Yep, you can get over there. Oh, you guys go for it. I'm fully off. We're gonna abort mission and head back to another part of the mountains, see if the snow's a little better. Oh yeah, it's gonna be fast, I think. Woo! Just kind of flat light. Woo! Whoa, there's a cliff. A little sled lap. Not too bad. See if Erin wants to ski or not. Her knee's been kind of messed up for a while. She had knee surgery a little while back, not very long ago actually. This is like her first winter skiing again pretty much. The snow is decent. You can see some powder turns. This is definitely coming towards the end of the season up here in Alaska. It's almost May. This is late April right now. So we're getting a season close. Snow is all going isothermic on us, melting out. If you're a big person, I wouldn't be able to get you up with your backpack on, but.
Big girl.
Baby clip at the bottom, but
No, it's fine.
yeah. Almost back to the truck. Looks like we're getting out of here just in time too. There's a really big storm moving in right over there. Back at the ride. I'm gonna get out of this gear in some cozy clothes and head back to Girdwood. Anyhow, that's a wrap, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.